How to calibrate the RH and temperature sensor value. The offset parameter enables the engineer to compensate for sensor reading errors, for example due to thermal conduction, by changing the sensor's value by a specified amount. The offset can be either positive or negative to compensate for a low or high value as required. Welcome to the Xcite Control System YouTube channel. Other controller setting videos are available in the Trend Controller Settings playlist. You can find the link in the description. First, enter your controller IP address in any web browser and press Enter. The controller homepage will be displayed. Next, click on the Modules option. After a few seconds, all controller settings will appear on the left side. Scroll down and locate the Sensors option, then click on it. This page displays all the sensor values configured in your controller. The item field indicates the serial number of the sensor parameter. You can modify sensor settings here. The label shows the name of the sensor parameter. The value displays the current sensor reading. The units indicate the measurement unit of the sensor. The graph shows the recorded data of the sensor. The alarm indicates any abnormal condition in the sensor. Now select the sensor you want to calibrate. For example, I will choose S1 under the Item section. Click on S1 to open its settings. Then find the Offset option and enter the required calibration value. After that, scroll down, click the tick symbol and save the changes. Important note: do not change any other settings in S1. Incorrect changes may cause the sensor to malfunction even after restoring previous values. Now go back to the Sensors page and refresh it. You will see the updated calibration value applied to the sensor. Repeat the same steps for other sensors if calibration is required. You can adjust both positive and negative offset values, but avoid making large changes. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and have a great day.